Orchids are the largest family of plants in the entire world and come in the myriad shapes and sizes. The family Archidochia is home to more than 25,000 flower species. The flower arrangements of all orchid species is the same, each orchid flower having 6 parts as shown in the picture. Each orchid flower is bilateral symmetric, which means that it can be divided into 2 equal parts. The size, shape, and texture of leaf depends on the habitat. Orchids do not have usual root, they have a rhizome, tuber, or area roots. These lovely flowers aren't only found in the tropics. Instead, they can grow in almost any habitat and can even bloom underground, but you won't find them in icy Antarctica. Bond between orchid and certain species of insect is tight and highly specialized. Petals have similar shapes and color like female insect to attract male and ensure pollination. Bee orchid lure male bee with its interesting smell and bee-like appearance. When a male bee approaches the flower to mate, it becomes covered in pollen and is sent off to pollinate the next orchid it visits. Due to the high specialization of pollination, the extinction of insects means the extinction of orchid. The size of an orchid seed is super tiny, around the size of the particle dust. Orchids produce several millions of miniature seeds, but only few seeds will develop into mature plants. Orchid seeds do not have an endosperm, which provides nutrients required for their germination. Due to this fact, all orchids live in symbiosis with fungi during germination. Germination can last from a couple of weeks to 15 years. Orchids are very old plants. According to the fossil evidence, orchids have existed on the planet around hundreds million years.